With tone and talkback functionality, Summa's tracks are well suited for feeding mix-minus outputs. Tap the pop-up menu and select one of the tracks. To choose what is routed to the track, tap the Contribution button and select any path that needs to contribute to the mix-minus output. The path for which the mix-minus was created can be identified by the Receiver tab. At the bottom, there are two options: Route Everything, which will automatically exclude the user's own signal, and Route Nothing, which will unroute everything. The Settings button toggles between displaying the path information, indicating what the path type is, and the Send controls, which indicates the position in the signal chain the source is being sent from. Tap a path to reveal controls for send level, send position, and routing. Tap Next or Previous to cycle forwards or backwards, revealing the send controls for each contributor in turn. Tap the Contribution button again to return to the mix-minus output screen.